Hi, this video is a lesson on Course A, Lesson 10. In order to log on to code.org, you need to find your URL located inside your Google Documents. There's one for kindergarten and there's one for first grade. Right now I'm going to go into the one for kindergarten. So I'm going to copy that link and hit enter. Once this screen comes up, there's a bunch of students' name, and you want to make sure you click on your name if you're the student. So today I'm going to use Kellen as the example, and then I need to find his secret picture. And don't worry, I'll switch these for next year, and click the orange sign in. The lessons on the next screen are going to be on the left side of the page, while the puzzles are on the inside. So when I say lesson 10, we have to look for number 10 on the outside. In order to get there, we have to scroll down because we've already done a bunch of these lessons this year. We're going to scroll down, lesson 10, and we're going to start on puzzle 1. Puzzle 1 is actually a video, and you can watch that on your own time. And that's a really good video because it helps reinforce some of the things I'm going to talk about right now. When you are finished, click on Puzzle 2. Puzzle 2 is pretty cool. It's a play area. So there's not any instructions of what you actually have to do. You just get to play around a little bit and connect these blocks onto when run. So I was already playing around with this a little bit. And so if I want to make a box, I could go down, I could go east, I could go up, and I could go west. And I believe that'll help me make a box. Let's see. Yeah, pretty simple. There's nothing you have to do on this lesson. It's just helping you to practice by dragging the blocks over underneath, and you can play around with that a little bit on your own. So click finish, and then you can move on. And you can actually send it to your phone if you're interested. We don't normally do that during school, but click continue to move on. And I think I'm going to have to actually delete some of this because I was playing around, just make sure I remembered how to do it. So I might have to delete everything and then show you how to do it again. Yeah, so I'm going to delete this. So what are the instructions for puzzle 3? Up here is our instructions, and it says, help the artist draw this line 2 times forward. If you are reading this right now, if you're watching this video right now and you're not a good reader, you can click the play button and it'll read the instructions for you.
Help the artist draw this line 2 times forward.
So these blocks are going to control our artist and tell him which direction to draw. So I need to make sure I'm taking him in the right direction. If I'm stuck, one thing that you can do is you can click on the light bulb for a hint. It says, do you want a hint? Click on yes. And it says, use this block to solve the puzzle. So I'm going to click and drag the east block and put it under when run. Let's see what happens. Ah, got the fail sound. Why did it not work? Well, there's 2 lines and I only used 1. So let's click reset and add a second draw east block. Click run and let's see what happens. I did it. Let's go forward a couple. Well, let's go to puzzle 4. We have time for one more puzzle. And don't worry, Kellen, I will delete all of this for you so that you can do it and learn as well. Let's delete that. This time it says the artist is trying to draw a line 5 times but can't get it right. Can you help? What I love about this puzzle is we can actually add a loop. So down here is a loop. We're going to put the loop in here, and it says 5 times. So I want to loop 5 times. Well, what direction do I want it to go? It's east. We're going to click run. And that's how you do lesson 10. If you have any questions, please send me an email and I'll try to help you the best I can. Thank you.